3 psychological sales tactics that you can use in order to increase your sales on Amazon in the UAE or Amazon in KSA. All the information in this video. Just keep on watching. So a couple of weeks ago, I uploaded a video on this channel with 3 unique tactics that are more technical that you can use in order to increase your conversion rate and increase your sales. But I got so many great comments that I decided to create this video as well. However, in this video, I'm going to be focusing on sales and sales tactics, or psychological tactics, or let's call them marketing tricks that you can do right now on your listing that can dramatically increase your sales on Amazon in the Middle East, so Amazon in the UAE or Amazon KSA. Let's start with trick number 1. Use a percentage discount code and not a number. Discount codes are a fantastic thing that you can add to your listing because they invoke curiosity. But let's pretend that we're selling this lens mug. Yes, it's a lens, but it's actually a mug. There you go. So if I was selling this lens mug for 50 dirhams and I did a 25 dirham off, doing a 50% discount off looks much better. Why? Because 50% or 50 is a bigger number than 25. So it's just basically an illusion. They're both the same amount, but it's basically an illusion, and doing a percentage off makes it look more lucrative. Now, for this trick to work, you have to be selling a product that's less than 100 dirhams. Coupons are an additional thing that you can use because they do make your product look more unique and they do make it stand out, especially when people are searching in the main keyword search results. So it makes it look a little bit different. And some customers actually think that the coupon is created by Amazon and not by the sellers themselves. Now, trick number 2 is very much related to trick number 1, and that is have a reason for the discount. Having a reason for the discount only reinforces scarcity. So a reason would be maybe a certain holiday, maybe just a 24-hour flash sale, maybe your annual sale, your 1-year anniversary or 1-year store anniversary. Make sure you don't make it a launching sale. So because I'm launching, that's why I have a discount, because customers don't want to try new products. They're worried about buying a product that nobody's tested before. So we want them to think that this is a tried and tested product that's always been on Amazon, but they've never seen it before. So just create a certain reason why you have a sale rather than just having a sale for the sake of having a sale. So if there's a reason attached to it, there's a little bit more scarcity, and customers understand that a sale or a discount isn't something that you do all the time. You can use your bullet points in order to, one of your bullet points, maybe your top bullet point, to explain why you're doing this discount. You can also use your product description, and you can definitely use one of the images just to explain why you're having this 24-hour or 1-week sale. What's the reason behind it, so that they feel like this is not something that comes every single day. It's scarce. If they don't jump on this coupon right now, if they don't purchase the product right now, they're not going to be able to get this great deal. Tip number 3, or trick number 3, focus on the benefits rather than the features. So let's go back to our lens mug. So just saying this is a lens mug, it looks like a lens, but it's actually a mug, and it has a lid, and it's gonna keep your coffee warm, you should buy it. That's not really gonna work. You have to showcase the benefits of the product rather than its features, because that's what's gonna sell it, and it's gonna sell it at, easier. So For example, what's so unique about having a cup that looks like a lens? Because rather than drinking from a boring travel mug, now you can drink from a really cool product that showcases exactly who you are as a person and showcases your uniqueness and showcases your main hobby, which is photography. Or can you imagine how wonderful or the reaction of people when they see you drinking from this super unique lens mug? Or what a fantastic reaction you're gonna get from a photographer friend or maybe an influencer even on Instagram or whatever when they receive this gift from you. How fantastic is this product? So this is how you highlight the benefits of the product. You don't want customers to figure these benefits out themselves. You have to lay it all out for them because it's just invoking emotions, and emotions is what, that's the reason why people would want to invest in an everyday product that honestly isn't that fantastic and isn't that life changing. So yes, of course we need to focus on the features of the product, that it's good quality, that it's probably, the lettering isn't gonna fade, all the amazing hard work that you did in order to give your customers a high quality product, of course. But we want to highlight the benefits because the benefits are what make the product fun. Now, if you're not sure how you're gonna find those benefits, all you really need to do is log on to Amazon, any and all Amazon platforms around the world. Try to find a product that's very similar to the one that you are selling and look at the 5-star reviews. As you can see here, a lot of people were so happy to gift this item, this lens mug, because people had such a great reaction. And you can also jump onto websites such as AliExpress, also read the reviews and try to figure out who are the people who are purchasing this product and why do they like it. So you need to do some groundwork, but the great thing is all the data is right there in front of you on Amazon, online, on so many other marketplaces or e-commerce websites. It's just a matter of you doing the hard work. So these were the 3 psychological sales tricks. Let me know which one is your favorite by leaving a comment in the comment section below. I will see you in a new video with more information. Bye.